We are here to explain our concerned project, Advanced Communication Aid for the people with speech impairment. So this is the new form of communication aid for the people with severe speech impairment. So the communication aid, it recognizes the disordered speech of the user and it builds messages which are converted into synthetic speech. So this is a basic block diagram. It consists of a power supply, microcontroller unit, HM 2007 voice recognition IC, LCD display, speaker module and a speaker. So in general, the power supply, it consists of a step-down transformer which is used for converting the AC input into DC output. So it consists of a bridge rectifier circuit. It is used for full wave rectification, and two major capacitors are used for elimination of ripples, and this is a voltage regulator 7805. It is used for providing constant voltage supply of about plus 5 voltage. Then here comes the microcontroller Atmel 89S52. It is a low power high performance CMOS 8-bit micro computer with 8 kilobyte of flash programmable and erasable read-only memory. It is composed of 40 pins. It consists of 4 ports: port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. The 40th pin, it is for VCC, and the 20th pin, it is for ground. So the port 0, it is an 8-bit open drain bidirectional input output port, and port 1, it is an 8-bit bidirectional input output port with internal pull-ups. Port 1 output buffers can sync our source for TTL inputs. So port 2, it is a bidirectional 8-bit data input output port with internal pull-ups. Port 2 output buffers also can sync our source for TTL inputs. When ones are written to port 2 pins, they are pulled high by the internal pull-ups and can be used as inputs. As inputs, port 2 pins that are externally being pulled low will source IAL because of the internal pull-ups. Hence the 9th pin, it is a reset. It is for reset input, and the 19th and 20th pins are for extal 1 and extal 2. Extal 1, it is input to the inverting amplifier and input to the internal clock operating circuit, and extal 2, it is used for driving the output from the inverting amplifier. Extal 1 and extal 2 are responsible for oscillator characteristics, hence they are the input and output respectively of an inverting amplifier, which can be configured for use as an on-chip oscillator. Hence this is a LCD what we are using in our project. It utilizes two sheets of polarizing material with a liquid crystal solution between them. When electric current is made to pass through the liquid, it causes the crystal to align so that light cannot pass through them. So here we are using a character LCD display of 2x16. A 14-pin access is provided having 8 data lines, 3 control lines and 3 power lines. So the second pin is for VCC, and the third pin is for VEE, and the fourth pin is for reset, and the fifth pin is for read or write, and the sixth pin is for enable. D0 to D7 consist of 8 data pins, and they are used to send information to LCD to read or control the contents of the LCD's internal system. This is a basic block in our project, which is a HM 2007, which is used as a voice recognition IC. It is a kind of voice recognition circuit with a varied specification. This module consists of analog front-end recognition process, sound control function and voice analysis. When combined with the microprocessor, these ICs can be turned into intelligent recognition system. It has 8-bit data out, which is interfaced with the microcontroller for further development. So here comes the general description. HM 2007, it is a 48-pin single chip CMOS voice recognition LSI circuit with analog front-end voice recognition process and system control function. A 40-word isolated recognition system. It is composed of external microphone, keyboard, SRAM and other few components. So this is a general block of a speaker module. In any sound system, ultimate quality depends upon the speaker. So the best recording encoded and the most advanced storage device and played by a top of the line deck amplifier will sound